Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let me show you how to customize lock screen font on Android 16. On your home screen, you want to simply long press like this and then select Wallpaper and Style. So now let's select lock screen like this, and if you scroll down, let's tap on clock section. And basically, to change the font, you need to select different styles of your clock. So you need to scroll through them like this to see different clock styles and set the one that you like. Additionally, you can change its color right here. So this is the palette. Additionally, you can adjust its intensity, you can adjust its shade, and as well, you can change its size. You can set it as small or large one. So let's press apply in the top right, and now simply go back. And if I lock my screen, you can see my updated lock screen. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.